Hello, hi, it's your girl minspie. So for those of you that don't know, it was my birthday in December and I just thought, this is an excuse to gift myself. You know the ones where people are like, oh, like I wrote the title for my 13,000 word essay, I deserve a milkshake. Honestly, this has been hard, just rattling my brain trying to come up with the title. Finally got it. I deserve a milkshake. That was me on my birthday. I said, oh, I deserve this, so I'm gonna get it, you know? So today I'm gonna be unboxing my Gucci GG Rhyton sneakers. This box, do you know what, yeah, people mock others for keeping like their luxury boxes, but I'm keeping this box. And one thing about Gucci is like it's definitely different from other brands because in regard to the box, it matches up with the season as well. And this is 100 years of Gucci. This is their anniversary, so all the packaging has changed. So what I received for like my Blooms stuff, the Blooms collection, was a flowery Blooms box. This now is like this textured, embossed, ooh, oh, it's so nice. I've already opened it, I've already worn them. I just wanted to show you guys my shoes. So to get into the box is just a gorgeous green textured box. It's kind of like what you would find on carpets or maybe some really old curtains. Like that's the vibe that I get from it. And the fact is, Gucci is kind of like that. They kind of like, it reminds you of, you know, olden days dressing or like just throwing anything together, very retro. That's what Gucci gives me. So this box is very fitting for 100 years of Gucci as well. No stickers, no size chart, none of that tucky stuff, none of that, because wow, yeah, this is a serious something. I love the box. On the front we just have Gucci. It's in black font on the green background. Looks great, looks good, it's simple, we love it. Let's move on. The paper inside is the same pattern of what you would find on the box, but it's in this brown coffee stained color with like a darker brown to emphasize the patterns. Really nice, very luxurious. And it came with this red ribbon on it. It's more like a dark burgundy maroon type of ribbon, I would say, and it's got Gucci 100 written in black across it with a black outline as well. I feel as though the black does not show up as much as it would if it was white or maybe even green, but I get it's supposed to be subtle and just, I guess, adhere to branding just a little bit, you know, not just any red ribbon. They have to make it known that it's Gucci. So yeah, understandable, and it is a good touch. Now this is the one thing I love about unboxing the expensive items, okay, is because I love a good dust bag. I feel as though, I've said this before, but I feel as though all shoes should have dust bags, but I feel as though that's also OTT. On the dust bag there is the Gucci logo with a nice print around it, box logo for you, should we say. It's on this brown type of sack vibe going on, you know. It's giving me Christmas stockings vibe and I'm not mad at it. I like it personally. I just feel as though it works all well together. I like that it's not white, I like that it's not black, it's not green, it's just, you know, perfect. It comes with tissue paper on the side of the box so that it's protected as well. It's not just straight box, it's like a little bit of a cushion to it. It also comes with a white tote bag that says Gucci 100 on it also. I know they're trying to stick with the branding and trying to show us this is our anniversary, you guys will know and you guys will listen, so that's nice. And a spare pair of laces. I don't think I've noticed a spare pair of laces in like the other designer shoes that I've gotten before, so I feel this is new for me. Like, yeah, it's quite new, but we digress. Let us get into the shoe. Now just have a look at these beauties. I wanted something that was more on the neutral palette, so your browns, your creams, that's what I was looking towards, and these were perfect with what I wanted to wear with them. I'm not really a Gucci trainer gal. I'm gonna be honest. Like, if you say what's my favorite designer sneaker, it will always and most likely be Prada. This was very new for me to cop and very new for me to buy. As I said, I've already worn these, but just I think cause baby, we brown. This on our gorgeous black skin, stop it. With a nice brown fit, stop it. With a nice small feet, stop it right now. I thought I would hate the monogram print that is like literally plastered over the whole shoe, but I actually don't. I really like it. I think it's a gorgeous touch. The fact that it's in different colors as well, different sizes, like the GGs are in different sizes, you know, it doesn't overpower the shoe too much. So the front of the shoe is this grey in simple leather that goes towards the front of the shoe, and underneath that is the GG monogram on this burgundy type of material that's now like a fabric material that's used for the eye stay, that is placed on top of this leather grey that's in the front of the shoe, is the same GG print that you find that goes around the front of the shoe here for the toe area. Is the same material, but it is in dark blue GGs. So these ones are brown GGs, these ones are dark blue GGs, and it's slightly lighter material underneath the GGs for the eye stays, and for the toe area it's like a darker brown. That same material is found on the heel of the shoe at the back, the same dark blue on the lighter beige coffee color background. On the tongue tab, this is where we see the big GG again, but also changed color. So as we can see, dark brown here, we've got our blue here, and then on the tongue it's like a lighter brown with a light brown GG as well. Let's call that latte color, okay? But that's found on the tongue. On the top of the tongue for the tongue tab, it's just a white Gucci tongue tab with Gucci in black. I think that's good. Keep it simple because the rest of the shoe is very loud. The laces look like they've been like coffee dipped or tea dipped. That's also the same color as the spare laces that you get. I think that it's great they did that rather than give you white. White would have been a bit too stark. I understand it would have matched up with the tongue tab, but I feel as though this works better with the whole shoe. I wouldn't swap out those laces or change anything about that personally. We also have the small GG print, again used for this brown, that wraps around the whole back of the shoe. It goes up onto the heel and wraps around onto the other side. And the small GG print can be found for the last time for this little ankle support on the side in green. It's a dark green with, I believe, probably really dark brown or really dark green small GG print, and that is a surprisingly nice touch because you would think the whole shoe should be brown basically, but I feel as though that works really well with the rest of the shoe. I would have never thought about it personally, but it works great. Additionally, for the midsection of the shoe, we have this grey material here. You would think that it's leather, it's not. That's reflective, so if someone takes a picture of you, that will be white. If it's with a flash, that will go white, and it is the same on the other side. Midsole is in this dark brown, and at first when I saw it, I thought that this brown is looking a bit on the doo-doo side. It still kind of is, but I like it. Weird enough, I still like it, and I think that it's unique. I think that it's different, even though it doesn't really match any of the other browns on the shoe, it still works really well, you know. And one thing I like about the sole is that it's a nice chunky big fat sole. Like, it's not canvas, it's not flat, it's not even bouncy, it doesn't even have any air bubbles, but I love the chunk to it. I like that that detail is there, hence why, you know, even with my Prada America's cups, I wanted the XL because the XL had a thicker sole. I thought I really liked the chunk. I'm not a short babe, so I don't understand why I'm so obsessed with the chunk, but yeah, I think that it is a great touch. It gives the shoe more character as well, as it's not just plain. You know, we have a little pattern going on, little raised bits of the sole, and I feel as though, yeah, it just makes it look overall better, because if it was a flatter design, I don't think I would have been as much in love as I am, right now. And immediately on the bottom for the sole, we have this bright orange. I mean, sometimes I look at Gucci stuff and I'm like, how, who, when, why, how do you even come up with this? But it works. Like, I'm not even mad at a single thing on this shoe, and the outfits are infinite. Like, you can do so much with this shoe because there is so many pieces to pick out from. You can do a whole maroon fit, you can do up different, you know, different shades of a brown, different brown color palettes. You can add in some green and really call out that green for the ankle support. Like, there's so many opportunities to really dress up this shoe, and I feel that's why I like it as well, because it's quite versatile. You can do quite a lot with this and it's nice. The interior is this plush green, and the green, of course, I'm sure is supposed to match this darker green ankle support, but I feel as though this is like its own character within its own right. Inside, where, you know, we would normally find like a size chart or something, no none of that. They have the Gucci made in Italy label stitched in. Okay, this ain't no sticker, this ain't no plastic, and I don't expect any less. I really don't, because what I'm paying, yeah, you better stitch in. It better stay there forever. Like, you don't want to see, I don't want to see it fall off. Size is found inside and it's not on the like outer of the shoe. And it also doesn't say like UK, US, no, you will get Europe. Because it's made in Italy, you will get Europe and Europe alone. Sizing, I got my size. These are true to size. I did get a UK 5, which is an EU 38. They are true to size in my opinion. I would not even bother going up or down or anything in regards to this Gucci, you know, this canvas, this silhouette, true to size. And additionally, the comfortability is, listen, English words can even come out. The comfortability on these is crazy. Like, I wore this for a whole day and I wasn't uncomfortable in the slightest. It was so comfortable and I was really surprised, because designer shoes, that's what they tend to lack in, is the comfortability. The plush inside, like the cushiony, just soft interior, yeah. You think that is just for show. It's actually not. It genuinely helps quite a lot, but they are a bit heavy. Like, when you raise your foot, you do feel the weight a little bit. I think that's okay. I can forgive that. For the comfortability, I can totally forgive that. And yeah, I'm not sure if the other canvases, like the other colorways of this silhouette, I don't know if the interior is like that. You would have to check that out. But if it's not, then don't knock me if you get it and it's not comfortable, because for this colorway, this silhouette, this canvas, okay, comfortable. That's all I can say. But for any other colorway, I'm sorry, I can't, yeah, I can't talk on those that I don't know, you know. These retail for £655, but as I said, it was my birthday and I wanted to treat myself. I don't do this often, so yeah, no one can tell me nothing. I got them from Selfridges in store and I used my work discount. And at the time, work discount for Selfridges was 8% off. So as much as you may think, oh, it's only 8%, listen, for £655, I will take the 8%. But that's a little tip for you guys. If you do want something designer and it's in a store, try and check if your workplace does like a little discount at Selfridges or Harrods or one of those, you know, House of Fraser or something that sells designers, so then you could potentially get a little bit of money off. And the more expensive the item is, you know, the more you appreciate the 5%, 3% and 4%, so the more you actually appreciate those discounts and that money off. These are real statement pieces in my opinion, and if you are looking for a cheeky designer, there's one right here if I tell you, and there's other colorways, so have a look, see what you like, and let me know if this video helped in any way, shape or form. Anyway, I hope to bring more videos like this to you guys. I mean, not too many, because designer sneakers, the budget, and you know, the salary, let's take it easy. Let's just take it easy. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, all them things there, and I will see you in my next one. Stay blessed, stay sweet and stay safe.